Hey folks, welcome to the first video for the new project car, which you guys voted it be called Project Ex-Wife, in the light of my recent separation. To start, I wanted to apologize for the lack of content recently. The funny thing about life is it has a tendency of getting in the way of hobbies and things like this. Today's video will be about the removal of the old D16Y7 engine that came in this car from the factory. Future videos planned will cover things such as the bodywork required, the parts and modifications planned, and of course the engine teardown and rebuild. So stay tuned for those. The first step to removing the engine was to remove all hoses and electrical wires, ECUs, sensors, leaving really only the engine mounts attached to the motor. After this, I lined up the engine hoist and had to locate bolts to attach the chain to that would be strong enough to hold the weight of the engine. Once the hoist was attached to the engine, it simply became a game of back and forth, lifting the engine, seeing what it was getting caught on, lowering it, and removing that obstacle. The biggest challenge that I encountered was the driver's side engine mount. The bolts to this mount were so rusted that I could not get it off, and it was forced to cut the mount right off of the frame. And I don't really need that anyways, as there's new mounts for the new motor. So once I got that out of the way, it was simply a matter of maneuvering the motor around to get it out, up, down, moving it left to right. And then really the last obstacle that I hit was the oil pan getting caught on the hood release, because the motor mount just wouldn't go high enough. So had to kind of lift it by hand a bit there, but after that the motor was free and clear. Hey guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Links to all of our pages where you can follow us can be found in the description below. And thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.